As I said earlier, there is a huge irregularities regarding PMAY 2 beneficiaries list in Nonosara and Kakrasara, especially, and also in other part of the BCs under Mongyakami RD block. Here itself, there are 44 beneficiaries whose name and job card numbers are mismatched. So there is a huge problem. I don't know who is responsible for this, but yes, we came here to sort out the problem as discussed by BDO the other day. Here in Kakrasara itself, we found 29 beneficiaries, and in Nonosara 20 beneficiaries who haven't got any benefits of whatever it may be, physically, or their list is not enlisted in this PMAY. So we have made a list of that with a resolution that they should get, because they are the genuine people who are eligible to get. So this will be submitted to BDO on Monday, and let's see what he does. Thank you so much.